Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw ChocoCat from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute black cat, let's first start by drawing a big circle for his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big circle. And now that we have one, let's go across about, let's say about this way and draw another one. So since it's pretty big, I just want to make sure I'm about the same height on the other circle. And there. So now we have two big circles in. Let's come back inside and we're going to draw another circle kind of in the center but towards this side. So about right here I'll start with another smaller circle. And then I'll come in here and just give it a little highlight and shade this all in. The original doesn't have a highlight, but I thought I wanted to add some bling, so hopefully add some sparkle to the eye. But if you don't like it, just fill this all in. Okay, so same thing over here. So towards this edge, we're going to draw another circle right about here. And same thing, a little circle here for a highlight and shade it all in. There. So now that I have the eyes in, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a little oval for the nose. Right about here. Let's draw a little oval right in the center. And then we can go ahead and draw the head. So the head is basically like a big dumpling shape. And so I'm going to come to the center of my eye. So say about right here, I'm going to come out about this much. And same thing here, center of my eye, come out about this much. And then from there I can go ahead and start to draw the head. So I'm going to go up and like a dumpling shape, we're going to start to curve in towards the top. So we want it nice and high. So find my center, so say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And I'll just go ahead and start my big curve towards the top, right here. And we're going to bring it down. So same thing on the other side. So if you're using a pencil at home, then you can make any adjustments you need. Make it higher or lower. So I draw this one big curve, and then about right here we're just going to start to bring it in. We're going to round it off, and let's see here, I want it to be about this low, so find my center again. I'll just give myself a point, and from there I'm going to go ahead and bring in a curve towards my point. And same thing here. So it's flatter at the bottom. And up. And adjust as you need. So there. So like I said, the top is a little bit narrow, wider towards here, and then flatter at the bottom. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the ears in this area right here. We're going to come about right here, and we're just going to draw these big ears. So we're going to go up and about right here. We're going to round it off and bring it in. And then we're just going to go ahead and follow the outside to draw the inside. There. And let's draw the other one. So I'm just going to drag some points across so I know where I'm going on the other side. And this is because I'm drawing pretty big, so it just helps me figure out where I'm going. Okay, so same exact thing. We're just going to bring this out. Just take a look at your other one, about right there. And then round it off and bring it right back to your point. And once again, we're just going to go ahead and draw the inside following your outside. There. So now that we have that, let's draw in some whiskers. So I'm going to put them about right here, kind of like where the eye is. I'll start about right here. And we're just going to draw 1 and 2. Right here. And I'll go ahead and thicken it up. So it'll all make sense in the once you color this cat in all black. Right now I haven't colored it, so it doesn't look quite like ChocoCat yet. So same thing here. And I'll go ahead and thicken this up. And thicken it up. There. Okay, so then now to draw the cute little body, I'm gonna come, let's see here, let's say about right here, kind of like where the eye is. Nice and centered, so about right here. And I'm going to come out, and then let's see here. Just come back into this space, and we're just going to draw a curve right in the center for the collar. Give ChocoCat some color here. So just draw one big curve, and then from there we're just going to bring this point down to about right here and about right there. So this point is where the legs are going to start. So I'm just going to come right about here and curve in. So same thing here. And curve in. So for the hands, and then I can come down for the legs. So about right here, I'll just find my center, about right there. I'm just going to draw a little curve right here to separate the legs. Bring this down, and we're just going to go ahead and round it off and connect. So same thing here. Bring it down and round it off. There. And then a tail. So we'll come about right here underneath the hand, and we're just going to curve out a tail and thicken it up. There. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here on ChocoCat to make him my Draw So Cute ChocoCat. And once again, you would just go ahead and color all of this all in black, but I don't want to do it because that would be really boring for you. So it's so much easier for me to do this on the computer. So hopefully you love how ChocoCat here turned out from Sanrio, and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.